Tim here. Past week or so, man. I think I'm pulling through this stuff, man. I dang I've been feeling like I got it made again, and I dang I dang getting high on life again. I'm damn running around. I think the running around and stuff has helped me out, getting my mind off things instead of sitting in the damn one room dang boo-hooing about my loss. But I dang talking to my daughter a lot, and I just got a lot to be thankful for, I guess. I I mean, dang, boy, I'm 61. I'm debt free. I raised 4 kids. I live in the woods. I built a life without going in debt, and now I got all this. And yeah, the wife passed away and all. I miss her, but I mean, I think I'm pulling out of this pretty damn good. I like I say, this last week's just been unreal. I went to a couple tracks, didn't even go in them. The second time I went, it was like closed. I guess they got a rainstorm through there a little while before I got there. But I just feel like everything's coming together. I still have this emptiness, but that's to be expected. I went to Augusta to see my daughter, grandkids and stuff. I took my other daughter with me and her 2 kids, and there was a couple spots that hit me hard there, but I just let them go. The biggest thing is keep going, I guess. I was running around, checking shit out, trying to get into things. I don't know. I just gotta keep my shit together, man. It's just so much giving thanks all the time. That damn working out all the time, and just routines. I call them rituals. I would damn like working out. I get up. I drink 2 glasses of water, one of them with cayenne pepper in it. And then I drink my coffee with cloves in it. That shit really kicks in everything. But I'm telling you, you talk about clarity. I can be halfway through that damn cup, and I start waking up big time. Not no damn jiffy caffeine wake up thing. And I get done with that, and I go ahead and bust up a bunch of them. Oh dang, bo, sesame seeds. They're not sesame seeds. They're freaking chia seeds. And I bust them up and get them soaking. And I go in and I start working out. I get my workout done. I sit down. I put a little. My old lady squeezed a bunch of damn. We bought like 5 cases of lemons. They were giving them away, and she canned a bunch of that lemon juice. I put that in there with a little bit of syrup on them chia seeds. I sit there and I drink that. Then I make me a protein breakfast and eat some supplements. And them really keep me going through the day, boy. Before I started taking them, boy, I was ready for a nap. I'd crash hard about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And now, it's damn. I'm telling you, boy, such clarity with them pills, vitamins. I guess they ain't no doctor shit. And that damn that cherry juice, that red tart cherry juice, that shit help you sleep at night. Now, my mom kind of chuckled, "Oh, cherry juice is making you sleep, huh?" I was like, yeah, and it does. It makes melatonin, which is a chemical that you build to make you sleep. And I couldn't find the only place I found it was Trader Joe's and Kroger. Now Kroger was like more filtered, and Trader Joe's had like, I don't know, I guess you could say cherry pulp the skins and stuff more in it. And I think that stuff worked better because when I first started drinking that, actually the first night I actually got 6 hours sleep. And with all this crap going on, uh, that was messing me up. Now, my nerves were really bad because I started getting dizzy and stuff in the mornings. And that's why I started doing that water thing. But a lot of it's nerves. I went ahead yesterday and ordered some lights for this cemetery plot. I got thinking when I got home that one night, I've actually been cruising around at night, and I thought, damn, she's kind of scared of the dark, so I was gonna get some. But she's not really scared of the dark. She always said she's scared of what's in the dark. But I'm gonna set her up a spotlight. I bought these damn flowers too, and they kind of, I guess they change colors. They're her favorite flower. I'm gonna get those. Probably set that up tonight. I really need to get out there and, I mean, look at it. It's all growed up, and I really need to do something with that, which I will. It's just, I don't know. It started raining and everything puffs right out here in the Carolinas, man. But I don't know. I gotta get my shit together. It's really coming together. I mean, I just being thankful, and like I say, getting my routines done, getting out of the house, and that working out. I mean, that's getting to where I get kind of excited to get to it. I mean, it just I found a new routine. I was just like curling dumbbells and push-ups and planks and all that stuff. I found a routine online, and boy, I wasn't even really working out because I'm feeling these, which is pretty cool. But I got to get out and start getting some stuff done that needs done. Like I say, I ran around all weekend. Got invited to go watch that UFC stuff yesterday with somebody. No tire tracks, no mail. And I didn't because I'd done run around enough. Must have been here since Saturday. Anyhow, I dang, I don't know. I feel a lot better. I'm getting interested in things. I dang, wanting to build things. I don't know, man. Just life just drug me down so far. And like I say, I have all these things and build a life, and then wife crashed out and passed away on me. I'm just gonna have to, I mean, deal with it. I know it's only been a little over 5 months, but I don't know. I guess I dealt with it right. I don't know, the staying home and dwelling on things all the time. That shit's bad, bro. Bad, bad. Uh, I don't know what else to say about all that stuff, man. I just know that, and this ain't just one day saying, "Oh yeah, look at this," because I've been thinking about this for a couple days. I've just been having a hard time getting back on the quarter and recording this stuff. I just feel like, damn, them spiders coming out now, boys. I ain't been down my trail in a while, I reckon, but I need to groom this up. Dang, four-wheeler's been down. Freaking starter went out. I've been talking about the starter going out since I got the thing, but grandkids come over. You get the starter yet? You get it fixed? But like I say, more impressive things to do, and I'm gonna just keep. I guess I need to check out the tracks more before I go running around showing up at them. But I say I left that one night. It got rained out or whatever, and it wasn't just a nice drive. I mean, I usually don't run around in the freaking I haven't been running around at night for a long time. It was just everything was different. It was kind of cool. I might have to do that more often. But I don't know, man. I haven't been bringing up them ebooks and stuff. You need to check out them ebooks. Get you some real estate. I mean, I know a lot of people are damn times are tight and things are hard, and but get your ass out of debt, man. Get this thing going. If I was in debt right now, I'd probably still be depressed like hell. I just don't. I just don't have to worry about that shit now. I mean, taxes are real low, and yeah, I got the car insurance. That's about the highest thing. 'Cause I pay a little over five a year for 3 vehicles. But I don't know, man. Get your ass out of debt. Damn, check out that damn ebook down below. It how to create an ebook or whatever. Basic, simple. It's free. What do you got to lose? And I got another book, Discipline is Freedom. I charged a little bit for that, but whoop-de-doo. I ain't really even pushing them or anything. I just made the ebooks just for something to do, something to learn, which probably got to learn all over again because it's been a while. But I don't know, man. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Talk to me or something. I dang, I don't know. I just, like I say, man, stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh, no, but that's living, baby.
How do you find peace? You don't find peace. You choose it by what you ignore, by what you release, by what you stop giving energy to. That's the shift.